Dear students, a warm welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss addition of two vectors. Two or more vectors which have same nature can be added to each other. Okay. For example, velocity vector can be added to velocity vector only. So there are two main methods for the addition of vectors. Geometrical method, analytical method. Today we will discuss geometrical method. Okay. Now in geometrical method, number one is triangle method. Suppose we have to add vector A and vector B. Okay. At first, draw vector A. Then from the head of the vector A, draw vector B. Okay. After that, from the tail of the vector A to the head of the vector B, draw a line which represent the resultant of the addition of two vectors. Okay, which will be the resultant vector R, that is vector A plus vector B. Okay. You can add vector A and vector B in different manner. For example, at first draw vector B. Then from the head of the vector B, draw vector A. Draw vector A. After that, from the tail of the vector B to the head of the vector A, draw a line which represent the resultant of vector B and vector A. That is R dash is equal to B plus vector A. Okay, vector B plus vector A. Now, the resultant of A and B, that is vector R, and the resultant of B and A, that is vector R dash, have same magnitude. Okay, have same length, that is magnitude, and same direction. Okay, the resultant of vector A and vector B and the resultant of vector B and vector A have same magnitude and same direction, that is vector R is equal to vector R dash. That is A plus B is equal to vector B plus vector A. That means vector addition is commutative in nature. Okay, now next is parallelogram method. Again, suppose we have to add vector A and vector B. Now this time we use parallelogram method. Draw vector A and vector B from the same point. Okay, draw vector A and vector B from the same point. After that, from head of the vector A, draw a dotted line which is parallel to the vector B. Okay, and draw a dotted line which is parallel to vector A. Okay, which is parallel to vector A. These dotted lines intersect at any point. Then after that, from this point, initial point, draw a line to the intersecting point, which will be the resultant of two vector. Vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B. Now look at this. Vector A and vector B seems like the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Vector A and vector B seems like the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, and vector R, their resultant, represent the diagonal of the parallelogram. Okay, so this is the parallelogram method for the vector addition. If we have to add number of vectors, okay, if we want to add number of vectors, then we use polygon method. Suppose we have to add vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D, 4 vectors. Then we use polygon method. Now, first draw vector A. Then after that, from the head of the vector A, draw vector B. Again, from the head of the vector B, draw vector C. After that, from the head of the vector C, draw vector D. Then from the tail of the vector to the head of the vector D, draw a line. Okay, draw a line from the tail of the vector A to the head of the vector D. Draw a line which represent the resultant of these vectors. That is vector R is equal to vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus vector D. Okay, this line is the resultant of the vectors. Okay, so this is the polygon method. Okay, so the topic is Topic is done. Thanks for watching this video.